Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm trying to make more recipes for Ramadan. So please, if you didn't click the notification bell, so please click it. That whenever I will upload a new video, you will get the notification. And if you have any suggestion for Ramadan, so please let me know in the comment section. So today I am making steak. So let's get started. Now in a pan add 2 to 3 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon garlic and 3 tablespoon of lemon and mix well. Now add a bit of salt, 2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 by 4 cup of oil and 3 teaspoon of HP sauce. But as you know, in this tough situation it is not available, so I'm using the substitute as tamarind. Now add 1 by 4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoon of soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of mustard paste and combine them well. Now I took half kg of undercut beef and gonna pour all my mixture over it and I'm gonna leave it for 2 hours. Now I'm gonna prepare my side dish as veggies. So I'm taking frozen, but you can take fresh. And first I'm gonna add a bit of oil, then my veggies, and then I'm gonna season it with black pepper, salt and vinegar and saute it. Now to make a sauce with it, add in a pan 3 tablespoons of oil, 1 small onion and fry until onion turn golden brown. Then add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of crushed red chili and fry. Then add half a cup of water and then fry until the water dry out. Then add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of flour. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter and fry it. And then add 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of water and mix well, very well. Make sure to keep on mixing because you don't want lumps. Now add some mushroom, and then when your sauce is thick, keep it aside. So now it's time to grill your steak. I don't have a griller, so I'm using a flat pan, but you can use a griller. So you have to just grill it like from one side, grill it for 4 or 5 minutes and then flip it over and then cook it for 4 or 5 minutes. And when you think it is done, then pour the sauce over it and leave it for and cook it. When you feel it is done, then just take it out. Now just take it out and served in a serving dish, and I have served it with sauce, veggies, and mashed potatoes. But the mashed potatoes recipe I'm gonna upload in my next video. So if you don't want to miss that, then click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell, that whenever I will upload a new video you will get my notification. And please don't forget to hit like and comment down below if any other video you would like me to make. So I will see you in another video. Till then, bye.